yes goalkeeper uphaselwe elakhe iball, he wasn't fast enough to reach the ball first. Kwafika uIstrike uLeon kuqala uthe selikhahlele efuna ukuliclearisha akasakhahleli iball, usekhahlela umdlali. Angiphinde futhi ugoalkeeper usekhahlela umdlali, akamkhahleli intentionally. He wasn't fast enough to kick the ball. I-opponent ifike kuqala ebholeni. Once i-opponent yafika kuqala ebholeni, wena usuzotheklisha ilokho sekuyifoul le, of which abanye abadlali bayawathola ama-red card. Yes, uyavuma ureferee ukuthi bungaqondeli ukumlimaza lo muntu. Inhloso yakho yabona, if bekungekho egroundini bekusestradini umuntu akhahlelwe kanjeyana, uma kufika amaphoyisa azobopha lo okhahlelile because sekuyi-assault charge leyo e-police station.
Sanibona bafethu, igama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Wenkabi. Bafethu, we are back kwi-starting 11. Njengenjalo bafethu ngihamba noSibuda Lebuda. Sibuda hamba kanjani?
Shopho kunjani?
Grand.
Hayi mnandi manje.
Namhlanje bafethu bekudlala i-second leg ye-CAF Champions League against iLekhonja for iMamelodi Sundowns against Tunis. Remember away iMamelodi Sundowns adlala away game yawina ngo-1-0. Courtesy to igoli la Leon, yabuya futhi ekhaya yenze njalo futhi kwaba 1-0 away 1-0 home. So that's a 2-0, 2 clean sheets. So bafethu, before we get into the game, bafethu cela nisifollow bafethu ku YouTube at starting 11 XI. Sesingangena egamini, siyabonga nje ukuthi umdala usasigcinile bafethu. Sikwazi ukunithulela lo mbiko, sikwazi ukuma phambi kwenu bafethu, sinithulele ukuthi games icabanga ukuthi ihambe kanjani. Sibuda Lebuda.
Yazo.
Singene mfethu.
Ngibingelele ma subscribers zethu, ma followers zethu. Sithi big up to that. Keep on following us, keep on subscribing ku starting 11. Sibuda Lebuda AK Mabuda Mawuthanda. Khona olithathile igama lami Sibuda Lebuda walisebenzisa kwi-email thizeni. Kanti akazi ukuthi originality iqhamuka ngala. Abangaziyo ongaziyo khona ilanguage yaseThokoza High School ka standard 8 grade 10. Ngathi igama laqhamuka lapho lathi Sibute Libute. Mase ngiyibuka manje igama laseSwatini Sibuda Lebuda Sibute Libute. Ngizoyikhanda angidlule lapho. Nansi ke igame namhlanje okay, into engizoyisho mayelana no CAF, iboard yaka CAF no PSL kanye nabaphathi iboard yeSundowns. Benza iphutha elikhulu kakhulu eMzansi nakuthina abathandi bebhola baseMzansi. Yabo, mina ngendlela engibuka ngayo kakhulukazi namhlanje, kuyazi ukuthi kune Champions League enkulu kunawo wonke ama Champions League akhona eAfrica. Yabo, obekumele ukuthi igame yawo kube yiyo le eqale manje ngo3, bese kuthi le second best Champions League ibe ngo-past 7. iBetway Premiership Champions League ave ibalekile and amathikiti akhona abe sold out wonke, okusho ukuthi le Champions League ebedlala bekumele ibe yiSundowns ngoba phela iCAF iyi-second best ye-Champions League, bese kuthi iBetway Premiership Champions League kube yiyeqala ngo3 ngoba phela futhi namathikiti akhona abantu bezokwazi ukudidiseka ukuthi sobuka yipi Champions League uma kunje. Uyabona ke, asazi kodwa siyacabanga ukuthi phela kube sekuwini iCAF Champions League ngezinga lama views, angazi kodwa nibukeli ukuthi nibuke kanjani. Okwesibili ngizongena la, congratulations to iMamelodi Sundowns ngoba bidla iyo ewinile. Ingako ngithi congratulations to iEsperance ngoba idliwe. Okay, ngizofika kulapha ekudliweni kweEst. iSundowns mayilanda ucoach ngizwile ngandlebenye thi uma efika utshelwa ngeCAF Champions League akushiyo ukuthi hey yabona thina sine MTN 8 sine Nedbank thina okanye hayi sinocala thina iCabling nani thi utshelwa ngeCAF Champions bese kuthiwa by the way okanye alternatively
Siyadlala nalapha,
sekukhona
participate nalapha.
nalama cups lapha.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the first thing otshelwa yona ukuthi njengamanje ngoba sikuqasha ndoda sifuna i-Champions League. I-league siyayiwina vele, so you must maintain it. And by the way, seyophuma ucoach, seyovala umnyango. Ethi hayi ngiyabonga. Say hey man, before you go, by the way, kunama league, kunama cup. Yabo akhona, so you have to participate in that.
Yeah. Okunye futhi engikutholile ngizokuthiwa ngathi ngapha kuyibhola la eMzansi khona i-team eseyiyayekisa lento yokuthi kujajulela ukuthi hey sidlala namaNdiya, sidlala nama-Arab yabona o-Al Ahly kujatshulele lokho noma ngathiwa bahlatshwe ngesibhaxu 4-0 kodwa kuzoba nale hype yokuthi sidlale negenge eyinhlotshana yase-Afrika eyibest. Ngizokuthiwa kule team ewine namhlanje khona uMdawu abazokuhlaba ngeslide ekugcwala intokozo, khona umfana Cupido abazokuhlaba ngeslide abanendaba ukuthi uyibalali noma ukuliphi izinga mabe kufanele bakushaye nje yabo kujatshulela iwin. Kusho ukuthi le team yala eMzansi yona ayisajabuleli ukuthi idlala nobani, sijabulela ukuthi iwin. Okwenza ukuthi ngithi mina kuhamba le team ewine namhlanje ibhoreke ukudlala lama games nalama team edlala kwi-league yayo. Ngoba ayisena match mina mangingathatha iEsperance Tunis ngikhetha ama team ukuthi awadlale 90 minutes against Esperance, yipi izowina namhlanje ngithi nje after 3 days ayibuyi izodlala i-home i-away game. Yipi team lapha ku-PSL ezoyishaya iEsperance Tunis? Ngoba mina ngiyibonile ukuthi kufanele iEsperance Tunis kungabibikho i-team kwi-CAF Champions League eyidlile home. Ngisibonile mina lesa striker siyi-best striker lesiyana, badlala bayalithunga ibhola labantu and bayimisele ngewe ukungena kwabo egroundini bayimisele, ingakho bengadli futhi ayikho i-team esekuyashaya iEsperance this season home and away. Bebeqala ngokuthi bashawe iSundowns home, bebeqala ukuthi bashawe iSundowns away. Consecutively losses for iEsperance Tunis. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns without favoritism, without ukuyithanda. But this is a record. Njengobani
uyibraka kanjani inyama eSouth Africa?
Njengobani
ufika ushaya leli side elingapha maseli right uliphendula
izavuthwa yonke indawo, ivithe naphakathi nendawo izokwazi ukuthi ikunike that tenderness taste. This is what happens to
ibulala nama-virus asenyameni,
yabo.
So uyihlephu ngapha uphinde uyihlephule ngapha.
Yeah, coming to igame yanamhlanje iEsperance ize la trailing by 2 goals because of away rule goal
showcase.
Yeah, ifike la first half team ethi sifuna ukukora, sifuna ukucover, sifuna ukuyidla iMamelodi Sundowns
because bebenale mentality ukuthi sadli iAl Ahly sakora 3 goals away kwiAl Ahly and bakhohle ukuthi iAl Ahly sina 6 years kade yagcina ukudla iMamelodi Sundowns, so ba compare iAl Ahly neMamelodi Sundowns
and bakhohlwa futhi ukuthi Esperance last season yakhiswa iMamelodi Sundowns kwi-CAF Champions League.
Bakhohlwa futhi ukuthi iSundowns ayashaya iAl Ahly 5-2 home,
yabo. So bukani ibhola ningayi ngokuthi lo unama Champions League amangaki, une success engakanani, because i-success awukwazi ukuyiphasela igoli lingene nethini. Just like uLeon scored a goal kwi-first leg Sundowns versus Esperance versus Sundowns, wakora igol second leg Sundowns versus Esperance, of which this was not experience. Ibhola lihlale enyaweni laphaswe nethini, yabo. Aspeak anzima la amathini, but do not discredit i-team yaseMzansi eperforma kamnandi. Right, sibuyele kule game yanamhlanje, bebe show up iEsperance ukuphasa kwakhona isaqala igame ukuthi sifuna uku-equalizer, sifuna igoal ngendlela yokuthi istriker sakhona siyithathe ngenhliziyo le game bese si-aggressive, and uma esijaja ureferee siphatheke kabi ukuthi ungijajelani referee ngoba bengimele ungivumele ngiwise abadlali abawu2 consecutively ngithola ibhola ngikore ngivumele kune mentality yokuthi ama team ase-Africa
Southern Africa
ama team a-North ase-Africa are best compared to ama team ase-South Africa ama team ase-South Africa athathwa ngama team angalazi ibhola buka i-attitude yabadlali buka i-attitude yezihlwele
babuke mabedliwe ukuthi how they feel ukuthi sidliwe ama South Africans why sizodliwa yilabantu check attitude yabo
ubheka aggressiveness towards ureferee uma eshaya impempe ejaja ifoul lesa striker lesiyana if beku referee okungeyena wase-Africa besizothola i-yellow card you cannot foul 2 players consecutively and ureferee mayiblow impempe wena uzoba aggressive wonke ama team analeyo attitude and ngimangalile ukuthi ureferee akazange awakhiphe amakhadi ngendlela abekumele awakhiphe ngayo right number 2 you can ama team ale angayiplanela iSundowns but they cannot plan against i-defense ye-Sundowns because i-defense iya-defend laba badlali yabo you will never know uzosuka uNdamane la kwiposition yakhe ayocover kwiposition 2 kumdawu ukwenzile lo why to prevent ukuthi kuphume isquare esisoba i-goal opportunity you cannot plan for that awungeke umazi ukuthi uzosuka lo le central defend uzosuka uKyopito aye lapha ku number 3 eyolekelela bani lo mdlalo lapha yana ku number 3 uLokhujana lo waseZimbabwe uLunga
Divine Lunga
yabo ukuthi uzomcover this is how i-defense interact iyakwazi ukuthi ikhavelane i-purpose yakhona is to prevent umdlali we-opponent ozokora igoal leo moment leso swombe se-experience ayizange ikore if you cannot score a goal and uyi-team yase-Africa ngaleso sikhathi angeke uyishaye iMamelodi Sundowns ayizange ikore idefendile iMamelodi well itholile i-best opportunity i-Esperance lashaya ethangeni ibhola leli ibhola kwi-strike uma lithola lashaya
balishaya lapha i-crossbar labuye lashaya elokhunjeni kwitayi vele lapha bengasalindele because vele bekwi-motion begijima vele bengeke kwazi ukulicontrola kahle
yeah okuwukuthi bekungaba equalizing goal but ezoba i-double goal ngoba bebezokora that was the genuine attempt at goal i-Esperance eyitholile
after lokho done
yabo after lokho nothing eyenzakalile yabo sizoya kwi second half manje iphutha engilibonile okanye into esengeke ngayibona mina last time Tashrik Matthews ebe yi-substitute Mamelodi Sundowns has already scored 2 goals in that game walkora naye
Matthews mfethu we love you as a player le team kodwa manje ubuye enza ama decision engaqondi mfethu uMatthews uyazaza akaza ashaya i-long range but ufuna ukushaya ama long range esikhundleni ngabuya pass mfethu uMatthews you are an assist player assist you will get your opportunity but ufuna ukuyishaya ashaye phezulu ayi mina mfethu angimazi uMatthews but kumnandi ngoba uSalem is back from injury
yeah enye into engiyibokile ebengeke ngayisho engibengisho ngama strikers ala eMzansi if umakiwe ama defender akuhleli ngapha nangapha akuphefumuleka ukho umnyakazo uyashintsha it's either you drop towards isisu or uye siding or ukulaka left noma ka right uba yi-part and parcel of the game mawuhleli lapha phambili umakiwe ucwilisa i-team sina 9 players instead of 10 abadlala phakathi yabo uLeon into ayenzile urealizile ukuthi ngimakiwe washifta waya ka left wadlala ibhola waze wakhanda even nesquare nokuphasa yini ube participant of the game ngimzwile omunye uza kwethu osephezulu elizingeni eliphezulu kunami ethi uhleze kwiposition uLeon but namhlanje usukile wayilahla iposition. He was supposed to lahla the positions because make walithinta iball ayamaka ama defender ama first touch akhe bengekho that accurate. Uzophasa first touch uzolitrap alihlale phambili bamake. Ukwenzile lokho wa realize ukuthi akuphefumuleka ngisitholi kahle space. That's why shifting yabo wa shift azoba i pattern parcel ukuthi
mhlawumbe he was dropping back. He was dropping back to assist in marking.
Yebo.
What do you think about the goal la Leon and its creation?
Yabona okay ukuze kube khona igoal lo mjida uranile upress goalkeeper. One thing into engiyaziyo ngebhola ebholeni uma ngabe ufuna ibhola ukwenza i-clean tackle noma if i-clear tackle nebhola ufuna ukuqala ngeball first. You are the first person to reach the ball. Once you are second person to reach the ball, uzobe so interceptor uzobe so ushaya lo muntu osefike kuqala. If i-opponent yafika kuqala ebholeni ibhola kuyelakho ebholeni uzobe so ushaya khona and kuzoba i-foul. This is what happened to goalkeeper. Yes, goalkeeper uphaselwe ibhola elakhe ibhola. He wasn't fast enough to reach the ball first. Kwafika uIstrike uLeon kuqala uthe selikhahlele efuna ukuliclearisha akasakhahlela iball usekhahlela umdlali angiphinde futhi ugoalkeeper usekhahlela umdlali akamkhahleli intentionally. He wasn't fast enough to kick the ball. I-opponent ifike kuqala ebholeni. Once i-opponent yafika kuqala ebholeni wena usuzotheklisha ilokho sekuyifoul le of which abanye abadlali bayawathola ama red card. Yes uyavuma ureferee ukuthi bungaqondeli ukumlimaza lo muntu. Inhloso yakho yabona if bekungekho egroundini bekusestradini umuntu akhahlelwe kanjeyana uma kufika amaphoyisa azobopha lo okhahlelile because sekuyi assault charge leyo epolice station. So ngendlela amkhahlele ngayo embanjweni once you kick the player in the ball you are not allowed to kick the player but accident ngoba niyadlala ayenzeka. Yabona that's why abanye bengawathola amakhadi ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi i-intention yakhe bekungasi ukulimaza umdlali and makubhekwe i-response yomdlali esejabula uLeon kusho ukuthi lo muntu akekho injured but ukhahleliwe embanjeni. Wayikhola i-penalty uref of what bekwe good decision. Yiko ukuthi uyithathe casually.
Yeah, so manje what do you think Mamelodi Sundowns will win Champions League?
It's possible. 70% possible. Cause right manje umdlalo bengadlali namhlanje. Final uzobe dlala.
Yeah, abadlali abawu2.
Yabo, uzobe dlala like uKekana.
uModib
uzobe ekhona, Modib uzobe ekhona. Of which laphana kushawe inja ngenja. Akhish the only person oyi weakest point okufune ngabe ugcina ukudlala last game. uMatthews ngabe seqedile ukudlala iChampions League. Umdlalo namhlanje cha. uMatthews uzoba nama incident awu10 nebhola but azoba u3 ibona azoba right ku coach ukuthi uyakudeserve ukuqala igame. No, that is not wrong. Even nasesikoleni ubhali test wathola 3 out of 10 ufail loyo. Akunegotiate.
So ngoba manje sekumele sibuke iKaizer Chiefs sivala sithini.
No, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for today and congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for next game. Ukuthi izobe yenze nangazi but congratulations.
So congratulations to Masandawana, congratulations to Mikel Cardoso for reaching 3 final CAF Champions final in 3 consecutive seasons.
Congratulations to Pagania futhi.
If ilokhunja i-Sundowns iyayiwina i-CAF Champions League ngiyakutshela naso uCardoso bayamthenga uyahamba. So congratulations and good luck to the final. Danke siyabo. Sohlangana ku Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Danke siyabo.